Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is declaration of variable. Declaration of variable is basically that to declare a variable name with their data type in the program. So in plain words, we can say the variable names and their data types in the program is called declaration of a variable. So in C++, all variable must be declared before they are used in programs. In this, we have to use first we declare and then we use. We cannot used the variable so and we use variable and not to declare them. So declaring is basically is about to write their data type with their data type in the program. And it's okay, type first, this the general syntax of declaring variable is declare variables is type and variable name. Okay, I write it in a short way. So variable, okay, and at the end we use this, right? So this is the, and here I'm specifying what is the type. What is the type? Type is the data type of a variable. Like we are when we use integer values, then we use int data type, and when floating, decimal, string, and we are using according to the nature of the variable we use their data, that data type. And variable specify the list of variables. So if we have the same data type, then we declare the variables in a same line, like int a, sorry, age, okay, and then is marks. If all these are integers, then we can use in a one row. More than one variable we can use in a row. So this is all. So same like if we have a float, then we use a, like b, a c. These are the variable names, and this is all about it. Okay, now we are it's the most important thing that separate declaration statements are used to declare variable of different data types. We cannot declare a float variable in a int variable, right? We use, if we are using float data type, if we are using string, then we are separately declared them. String, we have, if we have this string, we have this data type, and variable name like greet. So we cannot use greet in float or int. We are used as separately. So all variable declared in one part of program must have a unique name, otherwise they will give an error. We not cannot use that. Here we are using a, here we are using a. No, we cannot use same name. I already told you in our previous lecture. So we cannot use like this, right? We have some places in the program where we placed where we can declare our variable. So first one, inside the main function are user defined function. These those are called local variables. Those are called local variable. The variable declared inside the main function are called local because because they are only accessed within that main function, not outside of the function. These are specifically accessed within the function, so those are called local variable. Mostly we are using, when we are using in programming, we use local variable, and they can only be used in the function which they are declared. Like if they are declared in the main function, then they cannot access out of the main function. The second is the global variable. Second is global variable. We have global variable. Okay, so global variable is outside the main function. You hope you understand that if the variable is declared in the main function, that can only access within the main function. If a variable is declared outside the main function, it can be accessed anywhere, it can be used anywhere in the whole program. These variables are called global variables. They can be used in main function and in other user defined function. In a program you can use more than one variables, more than one function, sorry, more than one and you need that variable in more than one function, then you declared in outside of the main function. You can there is no need to declare in every function. You just declared in main function and not main function, outside the main function, and then you can use it wherever it is needed. So this is all about. And the last thing I must say, that local variable and global variable and other type of variable are to understand to why we use a declaration of a variable, why it is important. Declaration of a variable, why it is important. Now I hope you understand why it is important. And if you like my video, you share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.